back on the KINTEGRA. So this is CT's new car. It's pretty sick. Just went for a drive. He's not even gonna want this car when we're done. There it is.
Yeah, why are we
doing this? Gross.
Why are we doing this?
That is disgusting. We just had some really dirty snow. Wow. That's so bad. Let's drive it to the car wash real quick.
It's gonna look like this until it runs.
Yeah. Oh, that's not attached. That's not attached at all. So let's come up with a plan. We have the motor and transmission sitting in there. We have our cold air intake. A few months ago, Dan and I looped the steering rack. Not right there. So fluid should not be coming out. It's basically a manual steering rack right now. Engine bay's painted. Motor mount brackets are in. Once it's cleaned up, we'll take the hood off. Yeah. Go your way. Winter's over and we're working on it again. So we got our bolts through the subframes. We had to drill holes last time. You saw that in the last video. We got the rear trans mount started. Did we find the exhaust?
We did.
All right, cool. There we go. Nice.
Okay, so there's rim, it goes straight down.
Well, let's just we'll thread it on there for now, just to hold it in place. Yeah. We still need to put an exhaust gasket in there. We're just mocking it up. Looks cool with exhaust on it. We're definitely going to fire it up with open headers. It's going to be awesome.
Oh yeah.
Instead of headers, I'm used to working on V8s. Open header. Axle shafts, that's another big one.
Yep.
We got to decide what hubs we're going to use. I would like to upgrade all the front suspension and stuff if it's possible. I don't know if it's possible. I mean, it's possible with enough fabrication, but how far we're going to go with that, I don't know.
I think the only thing that we would really have to do in the front is maybe get the thicker torsion bars.
Thicker torsion bars? Okay.
Because this engine's heavier, obviously.
Yeah. It's so funny, it's torsion bar.
Yeah.
It's like a Chevy truck. built like a rock. Yeah, that'll work. All right, we're gonna test fit the hood.
Lift up the back.
Oh, it's definitely hitting.
Oh yeah. We'll have to cut up like a bunch of this crap.
Garbage.
So like, I'm sure we'll have to cut out like these things.
Check this out. 89 FD, 1.6, 97 cubic inches. They put that on there for America. Vacuum hose routing. Yeah, we'll definitely need that. So we're thinking about cutting this support out because it's hitting like right here. Nice, screen right off. Cool, man, that was easy. All right, so this is all we cut out. Clear this. I'll see how close it gets. That's, I mean, I think it's a little stiff over here, so maybe I can feel where we cut out. Got a ½ inch of clearance right there. There might be something touching right here.
Honestly, it's better than I expected.
Yeah, I mean, it fits. It's not perfect, but it fits.
Yeah, and that was just on our first cut.
So, but like right here.
It's gonna be the intake maybe. I'll keep an eye right there. Yeah, it's this.
This stud.
It's this or this and this thing. It's just whatever this stuff is.
Yeah, it could be this. Butter. Yeah, very thin steel. Test fit number 2. I mean, it's pretty close.
It is so close.
It does feel like something's hitting here, but that might be that wiring harness that we have pulled up here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in between that
Okay,
gap.
let's pull that wiring harness down. Yeah, I mean,
It's
I think
flush
it's
on this
good.
side.
I think it's good.
I think it's good.
So let's mount it.
Yeah. Better?
I think it is better.
Dude, it just
Yeah,
clicks
that's
right.
perfect. As perfect as it was. You know, nothing's perfect.
Oh yeah.
But it's like really good.
Yeah, dude, it's
Really good enough.
if we don't have to shim that is crazy actually.
This looks like a stock
Yeah,
Integra.
yeah,
You
dude.
would not know.
Yes.
Sweet. Sleeper.
Sleeper. It's like it changes position every time.
But what I was looking at was ride height. Looks great.
Does it?
It was like way too high before with no motor in it. And now it just looks like stock.
Because yeah, that does look like a pretty good gap.
That's a good ride height. That's
It's
So that's sleeper right there.
lower than the rear. But
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
So now we just have everything else,
That's not much.
which is, yeah, that's not much at all. The motor's in there. How hard can the rest be?
That's why I have you.
Yeah.
Because it would be impossible.
Yeah. Man, the interior is so 80s. It's awesome. I love it. The seats are cool. They like have bolstering and stuff on the
Yeah.
side. Like, look at this, dude. That'll hold
Look
you in
how
place.
like this bolster isn't torn up. You
Yeah,
know?
it's crazy.
This thing's older than us.
Yep. And we're old. All right, well, you got a lot of research to do.
I sure do.
But we're back on it. The weather's good. We want to drive it this summer. So he's gonna sell his motorcycle and use all that money to get this going.
I didn't just buy a car.
Yeah. All right, that's it for this time. It's a lot like last time, but we actually bolted the engine and transmission in, and we bolted the hood on, which does fit, which is pretty
I
cool.
was surprised. Should we get that real quick?
Yep.
All right. So we thought it would hit here, which it
Oh,
did.
well, let's take these chains off so it looks
All right.
cooler. That one's bolted on, little 12mm bolt. It did it.
Yeah. Such a not so fast solution.
Yes, it is. Look at that. That'll hold a motor. It didn't even bend.
That just shows how light the motor is.
Yeah, exactly. We got to fit the alternator, put a belt on it. We're not running power steering. We got to get a radiator up here. We got wiring, CV shafts, and fuel system. That's it.
Just a couple things.
The cutouts?
Yeah.
Yeah, we cut all that out.
Came out pretty easily.
So we could fit that.
We weren't sure how it was going to fit, but, and you can see no shims, which I thought that we would have to shim it.
Yeah, no shims, no washers.
So look at this.
Stock ride height. Wouldn't even know.
Didn't even know.
What's under all that mud? K24A2. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Sooner than later.
Bye.
Promise.